Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Always choose joy. In today's video, we are this is my first ever art tutorial video which I'm doing, and in today's video we are going to be drawing a realistic water drop. Like, actually I made a water droplet and that absolutely wasn't nice, because see, this water droplet is bad because this white portion is drawn with a whitener, which I absolutely don't like to use, so I regret making this. And there are some more things I hate about this drawing, which is the shading is absolutely not perfect. It has some these, this is getting out, means the circle is more like an oval, and it is not looking much of a water droplet. What is this? What is this? I absolutely did not get this drawing, so I give it a 2 out of 10 because I absolutely do not like it. What happened? Oh my god, my chair! Just fell down. Okay, I give it a 2 out of 10 because I absolutely do not like it, and each of them has something like this which I absolutely hate it. And what is this? Wait, it's my pencil. What is this? This is not even a thing. I don't like this. I don't like this in any of the way. See, with the places I circle, what are these things? What are these? Are these even highlights? So I recreated this 2 out of 10 bad drawing, and I made this. This is a realistic looking water droplet which we are going to copy and draw again, which we are going to recreate. This is very good. I love it because it has these white parts and it doesn't have a border in this white part, and far apart it actually looks like a real one, like on my hand, like literally. So I like it. And the downer shades, which is so much better than this, I like it. So we are going to recreate it, and there are also some things which we are going to be using in today's material. So for the first thing which we are going to be using is like, for the things are, where is it? I can't find it, but whatever. Yeah, we are going to use some pencils and another one and this one. Everything is, let me explain you. Okay, so this one we'll use for, okay, so we will use this for making the circle. We'll use this, sorry, not this one. We'll use this one. This one is the Apsara's Absolute Extra Strong Extra Dark pencil. We'll sharpen them, okay, later. This one is, I don't know, see, but okay, we'll use this one. It's the HB2 Domes Carbon Super Dark pencil. We will use this one, which is HB2, also same super dark pencil of domes, but we'll not use this for drawing. We'll use this one for. We'll use this one, which is Apsara's glass marking black color. This is at the full end if we need to highlight or something, because we will not need it right now. So yes, at the end we are going to use this one, and let's begin. So let me again tell you why for what we need and what we need. Okay, this one is for circle, which we'll just do it and keep it aside. This one is for drawing, and also these two are for shadings also, and this one is for highlighting. This one is for drawing, means drawing the circle and everything. This is an earbud. This and this is an soft what am I saying? This is an soft tissue. Okay, and this is an earbud. We'll use both of this for shading. Means, as you can see, that shading for this we use. And another thing we are going to use for shading is please, which I recommend you all not to use. Okay, yes, as I was saying, you can use a makeup brush, but I don't recommend that because your mother will beat you up if you do that. So please do not use a makeup brush. What I recommend is use a what is this? What is happening? Okay, what I recommend is you use a soft tissue with earbuds like this. Okay. We'll use this, not makeup brush, and if you want you can use makeup brush, but I absolutely do not recommend because I'm scared if your mother beats you up. So okay, let's begin. So for this I have also taken a paper. You can take any size paper, but you have to draw as estimated in the paper. So next what I have to do is the most important thing. I have to sharpen my pencils because they are very bad. So give me you hear some music. Yeah. To make this circle perfectly. Done. Now the next circle. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I have actually drawn the circles. If you want 3, then it's okay. You can just add another and you can follow the same process. But for now, I'm just gonna show you 2. Okay, so let's just. Actually, the circle doesn't have to be so perfect, but just try to make it perfect because you need the circle's border, not the whole circle. And the circle should be not much deep, it should be gradient. It should be like this. Okay, now let's start the shading. So as you can see, the shading is a little like this. From the up to down means deep to light. So let's begin. For now I'm going to take this one, Apsara's pencil. Okay, Apsara's dark pencil. Let's try to start. So we are going to first, what we are going to do before starting is make the highlights, means where the light is falling. We have to make that. Okay, we have to make it lightly so that we can understand there are these, but it shouldn't be understood by others. So, like this. Only half shading like this. Now what do we have to do? Now what we have to do is, after doing this, we have to mix it with the wider part. You just can't. Now let's mix. You can take any type, as I took a but any soft tissue. You can also take, means you can also use a normal tissue if you want, but it is better to use a soft tissue. It makes the mixing better. Now the excess part. The excess part is the part that has gone outside. So I'm gonna first rub the excess part out. Great. Now after the excess part is removed, we have to rub after all the shading and mixing. We have to rub the parts where the highlights are, like this part I drew. Let me show you what we have to rub. After the shading and everything is done, we have to rub out this part with a eraser which is not wide, means very much wide, so that it doesn't rub the whole thing. It just rubs this much, like this. Now after rubbing, we have to give it a nice shape. Nice shape means how it was. We have to give it like that. Let's do that. Now we are going to mix it with this one. Just add a little more highlights of shades. Rub the excess again. And redraw the circle, not much deep, means not very deeply, a little light only, but still redraw it. And now we have to do this part, this shadow shading. How will we do? See close. So you can see the circle right here. What we have to do, okay? What we have to do is, a second. Okay, we have to do a like this thing. Sorry, like this in here. So let's make it. Okay, whatever. Let's use the other pencil, which is HB2, which is Apsara's, and yeah, that also works. You know, actually, it is not compulsory. You have to take Apsara's, domes, not like that. You can take any pencil, but it should be dark, like these Apsara's and domes. Okay, it should be dark so that the gradient part and the other shading parts are nice. well, we have to mix it a little more. Now, the last part, which is the shading part with this pencil. Okay, you have to nicely and gently give a little dark shade right here. Next one is put under the shadow, put some little black. And the black thing should be mixed up with the paper. And there you go. Your water droplet is done. And I'll show it to you all. Give me 1 second, just one thing I forgot to do. Nicely. Let's make this. I'm using this. I know it doesn't have anything, but it's mixing nicely. We are kind of at the end, but kind of, because we are still not done yet. Now, if you see a white, it means the whiter part is lesser white and more black. You can also do this, but I'm just doing it a little just to show you. You can take a white pencil and make those places highlighted with pencil so that it looks better. Now you can highlight it with real pencil, these sides, and everything is done. Okay, we are just going to rub it a little like this. Now we are going to rub the excess again because I want the other parts to be white. Very good. All done. Could we recreate it? Could we make it absolutely same? I think, in my opinion, yes, we could recreate. We could absolutely make it the same. And if you also could, then please put your answers down in the comment box. And if you couldn't, then then also tell that in the comment box. I'll help you with the process again if you want. Wait, yes. So now, if you think, what will happen to the little one? Will we do it? We have to do the same process in the little one too. So, do you think I have to again repeat the process? You can just take the video back to the start and see the whole process, make it and do it in the small one too. But for you guys, I am actually going to repeat the process if you want, but I don't want to waste your time, so I don't think that's much of a good idea, because every shade and everything should be we should get right and everything. So let me see what I can do. Here's the little one. So 1, 2. It's not working. Wait, I've got an idea. Here we take this one, this one. No, not this. And this one. And this one. Now let's see if it works. 1, 2. 1. No, I don't think it will work like that. Let's do something. Let's take this pencil and this pencil and this pencil. Now I hope it works. So we'll take it all together. 1, 2, and 3, and done. Wow, quick. That was, wasn't it? So do you think these are better than this or like these? Comment down below in the comment section, and if you want to draw another drop, just follow the same thing again. It is same, okay? Like if you want to draw another one, it is the same thing that you have to follow, so not a problem at all. Okay, if I did not do it, that is not a problem because it's the same. Okay, now it's finished, so I just have one more thing to do. What are you doing with the pen? Oh, you will see dancing cactus, Mr. Cactus. Always feel shy. I hope you liked today's. I hope you liked today's tutorial with me and Mr. Cactus. And if you want, I'll give you more tutorials. But first, please tell that I hope means they like this tutorial or not. And another thing, I opened my brand new Instagram account. Do not forget to follow me there, and I'm going to post every YouTube videos update in my Instagram account, so do not worry if you miss one. So go to my Instagram account right now. The link is in the description box. Check out the description box and see you in my next video. Bye bye. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment and share too. Bye bye.